Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about hats. It came as a recommendation from one of my good friends, Josh. He has a pretty sweet trail running Instagram channel. I'll link it right here. And he's been really giving me a lot of advice on not just running, but the gear and the philosophy of it. And just, it's opened me up to look at running from a different light. Today I wanted to share with you a hat that he's recommended to me. I ordered this about a week ago. I'm not really big into hats. I don't feel like I've ever spent a lot of money on hats. In fact, this is the only hat that I've owned for a pretty long time. So here's the box right here. This is what it looks like. It's Ciele. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but who cares about the box? Let's open it up. Okay, on the inside, the first thing it says, Merci, we appreciate your patronage. That's awesome. I love this color. So here we go. There are 3 hats. We got 1, 2, and 3. They all came in. And oh, there's stickers too. They got these stickers right here that come along with it. So I got 3 hats here. This is the white one that I bought. So it has the big logo in the front. I just wanted something which was white, so on really hot days I could wear it. And this looks really nice. I like the material right away. They offer, I guess they call it a 1,000,000-mile warranty, but that's a lifetime. It's a cute way of calling it a lifetime warranty. And they have this strap in the back. Oh yeah, nice, very nice. And so I like this pattern. This is the white one. I haven't broken it in yet. Let's try it on. And right away, the material feels like very high quality. I like that. It's a nice clean logo. And I really like this pattern that appears on this backside. That's the fun part about these things. So, all right, the next one is this yellow one. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. And I wanted something that was just for fun. I don't really wear a lot of bright colors, but I figured it might be good, like sometimes when I'm running at night, to have some of these brighter colors. And then on the inside, you have this other pattern right here. Let's try it on. So there we go. It's pretty nice. Let's flip it up. This is a really cool hat. I really like the colors. So here you go. You can see that. It's got this black strap on the back to make it adjustable. And then you can see maybe the details on the inside. Just like that. And the last hat that I purchased was kind of this zebra camouflage, green and black. Oh, I really like the underside of the bill. It has this white pattern with the green, that zebra striping right there. So that's really nice in contrast to this top part, which has the, I guess, the inverse version of it. This is almost something I don't have to even wear for running. I just want to wear this all the time. So I'll probably wear this when I go out. There we go. So yeah, these are very, very comfortable so far. Let me compare it to my old hat. I can tell you right away, I mean, this is not a running hat, this is just a regular hat, but you can just tell the weight of it and the materials, it's not going to breathe. This thing feels like it's going to keep in the heat, and the material itself, it feels much heavier. These things are like featherweight. I don't think this will make me run any faster, but it'll definitely be more comfortable, and I like the styling of it. It has a practical use too, to kind of absorb the sweat, block the sun, and it has the little bit of styling. And I think the best thing about it that I really appreciate is that it has that 1,000,000-mile warranty. So I really like companies that stand by their products, and it looks like Ciele does do that. Again, here we go. So we have this white one, like that. These were the new line of styles. So yeah, if you buy a couple of these, they'll set you back a little bit, but if you buy it for life, then I think it doesn't matter at that point. Then you'll have hats that will last a very, very long time, and you'll have a company that stands by it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this, but as far as running goes, this will be retired, and now I've got these 3 hats to use. So thanks a lot, and cheers. All right, which one am I gonna wear right now? Maybe it's bright yellow one. There we go. Feels very summertime.